Now I'll show you several techniques for streaking for isolation. We're going to first start with streaking for isolation on subcultures. Subcultures means that you're going to take a colony or a portion of a colony off a plate, put it on another plate, and streak it for isolation. So we're streaking from plate to plate. We're inoculating from one plate onto another plate and streaking for isolation. We're going to streak 3 different reference organisms today. The first is E. coli, and then Staphylococcus aureus, and finally Streptococcus pyogenes, on which I will demonstrate the stab technique. First, you'll label the plate for E. coli. E. coli, and put today's date. And you can put your initials on it if you like. And then we'll sterilize our loop in the back decinerator. Just hold it in there right down in the bottom of the hot part of the incinerator until it glows orange, and then take it out. Then we'll get our inoculum. To get your inoculum, take your loop and just barely touch one of those isolated colonies with the tip of your loop. No scooping. You should just see a divot in the center of the colony. And then you will take that inoculum, and on your plate you will put a 1/4-inch inoculum in this corner right there, and another in this corner right there. Then we're going to reflame the loop. Now you can see on your loop you have 2 edges. We're going to start with this edge down and angled like about a 45-degree angle this way. This edge, then we will streak out this way with the loop to about right there. Then we're going to flip it to the sterile side of the loop, and then take one streak out from this previous area over into this corner, and then streak like this. Make sure you go out to the edge of the plate and stop short of the previous area. Then you can turn your plate around a little bit like this, and with the same edge, bring it up into this corner and streak down. And then you're done with that side of the plate. The idea behind subculturing in this fashion is you want to spread that organism out so that you get good isolation. So now we're going to streak the other side of the plate the same way. And then you've completed streaking the plate for E. coli.